Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Crystal and I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Macquarie, ThreadUp, The Real, and sometimes Kidizen nowadays, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, welcome to Vlogmas. I don't know what day this video is going out on, but probably 3. I would say Vlogmas day 3. So now I'm gonna have to make it go out on the 3rd day. I am sitting here at my computer and I have to order some boxes from USPS because I'm running low on certain types of boxes. And I figured it's Vlogmas and why don't I get on here and show you guys how to order free boxes from the post office if you don't already know. So that's what today's video is going to be about. I do apologize for the quality and the lack of editing for this video because I am filming on my computer, which I don't normally do, but in order to share my screen with you, it's the only way I know how. And I don't even really know how to edit these videos. I'm like barely learning how to screen share, so bear with me. But I still think that you'll find the information in this video helpful. So if that's interesting to you, then let's get to it. I'm gonna attempt to try and figure out how to screen share with you guys so we can get right into it. And I've already tried to record this video once, so it should be pretty easy. Okay, there it goes. Make me bigger. And I'm gonna put me down here. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is go to USPS.com. I've already done that. And then you're gonna wanna sign in. So if you don't already have an account, you're gonna need to create one. And it's free, and I think it's just like an email, your address, because they do deliver the boxes right to your door. So I've already signed in, and then you're going to be taken to this homepage, USPS.com. This is the holiday homepage. How cute. Okay, this is the whole homepage. It's very long. You can order your stamps on here too. I'm not sure if they deliver those to your house. They probably do. Okay, but what we're doing, you're going to want to go up here right to shop, and then down here to shipping supplies. And this is going to take you to the shipping supplies page. And as you can see, some of them have $0 and 0 cents. And then obviously if you wanted like a scale or something, that's $73. But you can actually filter over here by free shipping supplies. See, there's 72 different options, which is crazy. So let's click free. And then you can just go through and grab whatever you want. So I actually need priority medium flat rate boxes. That's what I'm looking for. So let's do that one. Okay, and this one says, due to the holiday volume, please allow for an additional 2 to 4 business days for delivery if of your order. Sorry, my light is in the way. We apologize for any inconvenience, blah, blah, blah. So this happens around the holidays all the time. People start needing a lot more boxes, and so there's definitely a delay. So I don't need these boxes right away. I still have a bunch, but I just need to get in my order before I run out. So definitely leave yourself enough time. If you're needing boxes, I would say give it like 2 to 4 weeks lead time. And then during Christmas, I would say even longer. So for next year's Christmas, I would definitely order your boxes like maybe the end of October. Okay, so I'm gonna order a pack of 25. So see, you've got here boxes 1 through 5, pack of 10, or a pack of 25. I'm gonna do a pack of 25. I don't need more than 1 pack of 25, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add this to my cart. And then if you need more, you can keep shopping. Let's go ahead and keep shopping. I don't actually need anything else, but we will go back here. So you've got a military care box right here. It's got tape and labels that come with it too, which is cool. What else? Party DVD boxes. They've also got the express mail padded mailers. I always need priority padded mailers, so actually I'm gonna add that to the list too. I use these for everything, and they actually only do these in packs of 15, if you see right here. So I'm gonna do 2 packs of 15. And add that to cart, keep shopping. And then I'm going to show you some of my favorite boxes. These right here are good for like bats or golf clubs or something, but you've got to like, I don't know, like rig it. Large flat rate board game boxes. I actually don't have any of these, so I'm going to order some of these too. So look at that. Somebody had said that these are actually very good for one of the YouTubers I watched said that they use this box or something. I can't remember what it was, but I was like, oh, that's a great idea. I got to get some. So I do remember that I need some. So they only do these in packs of 25. So I'm going to get 1 pack of 25 and keep shopping. I really don't need any more boxes, but for the sake of this video, let's see what else we got. Okay, so we've done that board game. Okay, these our results are 18 to a page. Let's change it to the largest, which is 48, so that we only have 2 pages. So let's go down to where we were, which is a board game box. Okay, this box right here, this is a medium flat rate the other way. So the one that I ordered, I use that for boots and stuff and on Poshmark only, or if it saves me money also on eBay, but for the most part, just Poshmark. You can use flat rate boxes on Poshmark only. You cannot use them on Mercari. And then on eBay, you have to pay the flat rate fee. So, but this is like the other way. So if you needed a box like that, I don't. I just ordered some large flat rates. I don't need those. I never use the small flat rate, but I do have a couple of them at the house. Party. This is a new box to me. APO, FPO flat rate box. Not really sure what that one is, but I'm gonna have to do some research. Priority Express. Okay, I use this box a lot, the 1097, for like bulkier things like sweaters and stuff on Poshmark. I love that box. There's also a 1095 box, which I love as well. These are both self-sealing, which I really, really like. And the difference is the dimensions. So the 1097 is 11/5/8. So I would just do like 12/3/14 for dimensions on this one. And then for this one, it's 12/3/16. So the 1095 is a little bit bigger height-wise. And you've got your regional boxes, priority mailbox 4. So this might be something that I would want. Let's see, 7, so 8x8x7. Yeah, let's get that one. I've not mastered this box too much before, but 8x8x7 seems large. What would I use that for? I'd just get a pack of 10 because I'm not sure what I would use that for yet. And then let's see what else. That's it. Okay. The 1092 is the same thing. It's just different dimensions. Looks like 12x13x14x3. Then you've got your regional A boxes, 1096L. So the 1096, the 1092, the 1097, I love those boxes. They're all just a little bit different in dimensions, but for the most part, they're very similar. You've got your regional B box, priority mailbox number 7, which is 12x12x8. So that's a good box as well. And then you've got your Tyvek envelope, which if you don't do Tyvek, I also love these. I have a bunch though, so I don't need any. But the Tyvek envelope is like supposed to be weatherproof. So let's see, we've got page 2. And I'm just showing you guys all the boxes that are available. And like different things that are, these are all completely free. So Priority Express, this was just a pressure sensitive label. I don't know what you need that for. Okay, so these priority address labels right here, you can only use them for priority boxes, not for first class, but you can, this is like the perfect size for a Dymo. So you can put this in your Dymo printer and print right on this label if you want, and it's sticky. So, but only for priority mail. If you print a first class label on here, it will not ship. So don't do that. But then you've got stickers, caution heavy, 35 pounds and over. Priority Express, deliver by 10:30. So these are just stickers you put on your boxes that helps the post office out. Restricted mail, priority mail, cremation. They've got cremation kits, which are also free, which is good to know, I guess. And that's it. And then you just go to your shopping cart when you're done shopping. And you can also grab some stuff that you need to pay for, but I've never done that before. So if you look right here, my order summary is $0. And that's it. So I'm not sure if it's about to show you my address. So I'm going to stop recording for a minute, but you just press checkout now. And hold on, let me stop sharing. Okay, so now you guys can see me and not my screen. And I'll just hit checkout now. And yes, the next page that comes up is an address. So you just click your address if it's already saved in there. If you just made an account, you're going to have to enter all that information, but it will save it after that. And then you just click ship to this address. And that's it. Then it will give you a summary page, which let's see if I can show you that now that I've got my address out of the way. And then it just gives you a summary. So your address is going to be at the top, but I've blocked mine out. And then a summary of what you ordered. That's it. And then you're going to hit this place order button. This is just saying that you agree that you need not misuse the boxes. So I do see a lot on Instagram. This is something I want to address. I see a lot on Instagram people using particularly the bubble mailers as packing. And like, I can tell you, I was guilty of that when I first started as well, because I didn't know any better. That is against the post office's policy. And if they find out that you're doing that, then you can get in a lot of trouble. If you see here, it says misuse may be a violation of federal law. So it's illegal for you to do that. So if you didn't know that and you are doing that, stop it. And if you did know that and you're continuing to do it, then shame on you. But yes, so you can only use priority boxes, priority mailers, all of that stuff for the post office alone. You can't ship it FedEx. You can't use the post office boxes inside another box and then ship it a different way. They have to be used for the way that they were intended to be used. And if we continue, not just us, like if people continue to misuse it, I feel like they're gonna start taking away the free supplies, which I don't want. So that's my PSA for today. But yeah, so then you just hit agree. And that is it. And then it's showing you my address again. Oh well. And then it'll just say your order success, your order number, a confirmation was sent to your email, and that's it. And yeah. So basically, that's how you do it. I hope that that was helpful to be able to see it click by click, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And if you're not already subscribed, I should have said this in the beginning, but I didn't. If you're not already subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video. So until then, bye guys.